Are you looking for the perfect Christmas gift or party food? Well, today we're sharing a recipe for Christmas yogurt bark. Check out this recipe and let us know if you like it.
Let's get to it. These are the ingredients that you'll need for this recipe: yogurt, cranberries, strawberries, and kiwi. That's it. Let's get started. So we are going to place our yogurt here in the center of the pan, and we doubled the recipe because we're trying to make it enough for Joel's team members at work. So we're doubling this amount. This is going to be a really healthy recipe. We're just going to spread the yogurt out to the edges. Our next step is to add the kiwi, strawberries, and cranberries. In the pictures, the person used a Christmas tree cookie cutter to make Christmas trees out of the kiwi. I don't have one of those, and so I just decided to make them into little diced amounts, and so I'm just adding them throughout. So it's gonna have a green and red look. It's just not gonna have that cute little Christmas tree design. But if you have a Christmas tree cutter, Christmas tree cookie cutter, then give it a try, because it would be really cute. If you look at the link that I'll have linked, you can see the Christmas tree shape and how cute it is in the picture, but I did not have that. Okay. I need to do the other one. Now I'm gonna add my strawberries, and if I don't feel like it looks festive enough, because maybe I don't have the trees and I feel like I need some more color on it, I have more strawberries that I could add to this. I also have more cranberries, so I definitely can make more color out of this. Now I'm gonna add my cranberries. It says like a tablespoon for the batch, but I'm not gonna measure it out. I'm just gonna look, and when I feel like it is mixed well, then that it looks festive and that it's got a good balance, what I hope it be a good balance, then I will stop there. Now, our next step is to put this in the freezer until it's solid. It says probably about 4 hours. Now that this has been in the freezer, it was supposed to go for 4 hours. It's been like 3 hours and 45 minutes, but so I figured the 15 minutes would be okay, because I need these sent out. But anyway, as you see, you just break the pieces and put them on a tray. Hopefully this looks Christmassy, because it's supposed to be Christmas yogurt bark. You want to taste? It's too cold for my sensitive teeth. But I'm just realizing that there was something that it said you could do that was optional, and I did think about doing it and then forgot because it was down in the notes, and that was to add a little honey or maple syrup for a little sweetness, and I think it probably needed it because the yogurt was plain yogurt. So hopefully these won't be too bad, but they're a little bitter from the fact that it doesn't have any sweetness in it. We hope that you enjoyed today's recipe and would love to know if you plan to try it.
If you'd like to see another one of our Christmas tree videos, we're going to put one up right here. If you found value in this video, please consider liking, sharing, subscribing for more videos in the future. And until next video, we want to thank you for watching. And don't forget, it's a long run. Give yourself a little grace.
Merry Christmas.